Join Mia and Jayden as they try to find a lost treasure. They need to cooperate to find the treasure, but at first things don't go so well. Mia and Jayden are exploring outside when Mia finds a rolled up map in the grass. Wow! Jayden is very excited. Mia and Jayden have found something amazing, a real treasure map. But can they find the treasure? Only if they cooperate. How should they tackle this? Mia's great at reading maps, and Jayden's excited to get going. But they're not sure what to do. Both look confused. They both think of ideas, and each thinks their own idea is better than the others. Jayden says, "Let's do it my way." And Mia says, "But my way is so much better." Even though Mia is great at reading maps and very good at following clues, and Jayden is great at spotting things and finding things, instead of working together, they decide to go alone. They both get frustrated and realize their own ideas weren't working. But wait a minute, if they work together and cooperate, they might have a better chance of finding the treasure. They know they both want to find the treasure, so they decide to work together. This way, they'll have a better chance of finding it. So Mia reads the clues, and Jayden looks for the signs. Mia and Jayden are excited to go explore together and find what they think might be the hidden treasure. Mia points to the map, and Jayden's eyes widen as he thinks he spots something farther down the path. They come across a cave, and Jayden thinks he sees something shiny. "Let's go closer," he said. Mia and Jayden move closer and uncover a small treasure chest. They open the treasure chest, and they're so excited to see all the shiny objects. They rolled up the map and went to look at the toys and shiny objects. Mia said, "Wow, look at all this cool stuff." There are trucks and robots and beads and seashells and so much more. "Wow, a robot," says Mia. "And hey, you got a truck." Jayden says, "Let's go show our friends." When they went to school the next day, they brought their treasure to share with their friends and show their teacher. Mia and Jayden learned that cooperation makes everything easier and more fun. Everybody has different strengths, and when we work together, we all win. Can you think of a time when you used teamwork or cooperation and something was easier? Thanks for watching. Remember, cooperation makes everything better.